Good evening. My name is Harish Mehta. I am a certified business coach, executive coach, and a law of attraction trainer. I help business owners grow to their true potential, and I am here thankful to Sam to be a part of the show. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Surendra Rao. I head the IT and business group of the Somani Group, educational group, the BD Somani Institute of Art and Fashion Technology.
And I am Brendan after how many years?
I think
15-20 years. We know each other for such a long time. Rajiv.
Yes, I am responsible for getting him here today, so part of the credit I take. I am Rajiv Sethi. I do a business of making vacation homes at Karjat. I am increasing and improving my business almost every day. I don't know how, and most recently it's because of Jam with Sam. I've discovered you, and I don't know, that has become the reason for my bettering of business day in and day out for present. Thanks.
Thank you, Rajiv.
Good evening, I'm Akhil Sanghi from SP Sanghi, the Science Sanghi Group company, which is famous for automobile. We have an air conditioning division established in 1972. I had the air conditioning division of our group. Thank you.
Good evening. I'm extremely thankful to all the three speakers actually. Really, I felt like a management marketing student. A lot of insights they shared with us. Again, I'm thanking them. My name is Vishwajit Pakki. I represent a company called Poddar Developers. So we are constructing absolute affordable homes which are priced between 10 to 30 lakhs. And idea is to service millions of Mumbaites who are aspiring or dreaming for their first homes, who are staying in chawls, who are staying in slums and this kind of accommodation. We offer them complete townships, and all the amenities of premium localities and townships are offered to people in a budget of just 10 to 20 lakhs. Thank you.
Good evening, and thanks Sam for the invitation. I am Sachin Dalvi, presenting UV Express, one-stop solution for all your freight and courier requirement, whether it's within India or from India to abroad or back to forth. We also do third-party solutions, like you want anything from USA to be delivered in Australia or from Singapore to London. You can still pay in India and we'll take care of it. Thank you.
Good evening everybody, I am Pallavi Desai.
I am Riaz from Queen of Fun Holidays. What we sell is dreams, and actually we sell holidays. So everybody talks about stress. Yes, stress, we take all stress out of you. And I just heard doctor that he loves to go on holidays. So I have my best client here actually. So anything to do with holidays, we are there.
Thank you.
I am Bhavin Thakkar, representing my company Sarat International. Simply put it, I am passionate about search marketing, and that is what we help businesses do. We help them optimize their website and get really positioned on the top ranks. That's how it is. Thank you.
Good evening. I am Chittaranjan Gupta, representing our sponsor of KNP Enterprises. We do innovation in garments to basically customization. And thanks to Sam for the past 10-12 years, he's helped us with ideas to innovate a lot. And we have been very successful in innovation and with ideas. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good evening, I am Ramu Vedranan, specializing on intellectual property rights, which is trademarks, patents, copyright, design, and software litigation. I've been in this field for the last 30 years and protect the IPR in India and abroad. We protect your name and you get the fame. Thank you.
My name is Vijay Karani and my company name is Manchester Developers and Estate Consultants. We are actually a real estate broking firm where we help assist individuals and corporates find and finalize commercial and residential in western suburbs India, in the western suburbs. And often the real estate market, being a little volatile, we are the guys who assist builders in marketing projects when they come up to us, and we market the projects in bulk. This is what we do. Vijay Karani from Manchester.
I am Nitin Shah. I am a hypnotherapist and a hypnotherapy trainer. You have already seen a glimpse of my work. I basically help people manage their emotional, physical and mental states.
My name is Kashyap Thakkar, representing Proliferate Solution. Proliferate means to grow in numbers. We provide software and recruitment services. Thanking Sam and Nihman Bhai for inviting me out here.
We are basically the KPO BPO business outsourcing. We cater to digitalization, whatever solutions and business intelligence. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, friends. My name is Nikhil Desai. My company's name is Develop Pesticides. We are into pest control business since 1980. We have offices in Gandhidi, Parla, and we do pest control all over Maharashtra. So, guys, whenever you see any pest, call us. Thank you, sir, for inviting me.
Good evening, I am Dr. Chandrasekhar Joshi. My company's name is Revive Lifestyle and I am into wellness. I take care of weight, hair and skin problems. And we are located at Borivali, Malad, Thane, Powai and Dahisar. I thank Sam for inviting me for this jam with Sam. I was really happy to be here. Thank you.
My name is Pradeep. Basically we do all type of printing work like visiting card brochures, catalogs. We do all type of corporate jobs. Thank you.
My name is Ashwin Agarwal. I work for Edelweiss Tokyo Life Insurance. I take care of their Mumbai business. That's it about myself.
Kunal, as you know, I'm the hostess of Jamul Sam.
I'm hostess.
It's good to get some, as a student, it's good to get some tips about business and good to get some motivation to study.
I'm Sam Sisukura. I have no business, I have no firm, I've just come to do this.
Hi guys, my name is Hitesh Samal. I'm a co-owner of the Think Group. We have two companies essentially. Think Creative, which is a 10-year-old advertising agency, and Think Events, which is a 4-year-old event agency. And we primarily cater to corporates across India. And yeah, that's all. Thanks.
Hi guys, my name is Molchand. I'm an auto rickshaw driver. I'm a photographer and I'm a visualizer. How do I make money? Let's connect offline. Thanks.
Good evening, my name is Adesh Sarkani. I've been coaching students for maths and physics for the past 20 years. Kunal here is being my student and I'm also teaching Sam's younger son.
This is Anshuman. I'm representing Daban Lifestyles. Anything in lifestyle what you want to have is with me. Which a major part is the curtains, furnishings, very exclusive leathers, windows, soundproof windows, good dream, good sleep, wife set, life set.
I'm Hemant Gangla, representing Heaven Insurance Broker. We're an insurance broker providing solutions for life and non-life insurance. We work for you and you always have more with Have More. Thank you.
Good evening. I am Sandesh Navlaka, fashion designer and stylist. Well, style is an individual way of presentation. For your own presentation, do let me know. I am fashion designer and stylist, Sandesh Navlaka. Thank you.
I'm Dr. Mohan Raut, a practicing gynecologist for 23 years and CEO of Dr. Raut's Women's Hospital, located at Bacola, Santa Cruz East. Ours is an ISO certified hospital and we provide complete gynecological and pregnancy related services, some of which you heard about some time ago. Thank you.
Good evening friends, I am Pratap from Marshall Wallpaper Company, India's #1 wallpaper company. We have about 32 showrooms pan India and about 400 dealers pan India again. And I thank Sam for inviting me. Thank you.
I'm Dr. Mugdha Raut, the Managing Director of Dr. Raut's Women's Hospital and India's first gynecological counselor. I'm Bhanu, solicitor and notary in property and corporate matter. My office is in Navy, Fountain and Ghatkopa. And thank you Sam for inviting me. Thank you.
Last but not the least is I'd like to thank my team of Ankur, Akash,
my better half, she's really my better half, Namita. She takes a lot of care in setting up all this stuff, and I'd really like to thank them for putting in this effort over here. And we closed Jam with Sam, and I'd like to invite you for next month Jam with Sam. Whoever is there on my mailing list, they will get the invite soon. And I also like to thank one of the guy behind Jam with Sam, that's Rajan Raman. Again, he could not be with us here today. He's designed the whole concept of Jam with Sam with the whole brochure, with everything on it. He's a 105-year-old design agency. So if you're looking to create your brand or revive your brand again, he's the guy to contact over there. To close up, we have dinner served outside. Thank you very much and good evening.